Maestro, hoop! One, two, three.
I'm a warrant recruit. I showed up in boots, sat down and they chopped off my hair. Got downstairs too slow, but I didn't know that the tax would be waiting down there. And I think it unwise to have fear in your eyes. Forget to salute and say, pardon me, sir, strength and knowledge, sir. It's not gonna be a good day where candidates in low places where your risky acts or untucked places mean an essay. But I'll be okay. Oh, I'm not big on these running paces. Guess I'll PCS to some other bases. Oh, we're candidates in low places. We're just candidates, trying not to be late, and checking everything just one more time, running every day, sometimes with an IBA, till those love handles go and melt away. The tax are waiting, up and down the hallways, the shadows scare us in the night. Class 1218, living with the strange notion that we'll all soon be W1s. I like push-ups and I cannot lie. My triceps can't deny. When attack walks in with a look on his face and you're standing out of place, you get dropped. Gonna get you tough, and you know this course is rough. These attacks, they aren't uncaring. Just don't you get caught swearing. That's truth will come your way. Maybe get on tack probate. My family tried to warn me, but this course I'm in makes me so low. So cannons, yeah, but cut down on that gun, heck yeah. And hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Soon you'll get struck. Baby got tack. We're getting along. We're all getting real strong. And the attacks stop destroying our floor. Everything is alright. Well, maybe not quite. The tax are coming through the door. Now we got our caffeine, cause we're looking real mean. And we got lots more learning to do. We'll give it our best and rise above the rest. And somehow we'll all make it through. We're candidates in low places where your risky acts or untucked laces mean an essay. But I'll be okay. Oh, I'm not big on these running paces. Guess we'll PCS to some other bases. Oh, we're candidates in low places. Yeah! Rise above the rest, sir!
Hang that hat!
Hang that hat! Hang that hat! Hang that hat!
Outstanding song. Really impressed. Bob Mills, talking pig rights with dessert.
Rise above the rest, sir!
Column 2 from the right, forward.
Forward!
Column 2 from the right, forward.
Forward!
Forward.
I hear you calling! get on